In this video we will learn how to install Gemma4. For that, let us first install Ollama. Go to the browser. On Google type Ollama and press enter. The official website is visible, that is ollama.com. Okay, here the download button is visible. Click on it. So it automatically detected that we are on Windows. So you need to click on download for Windows. I'll click download for Windows. The download started. We have downloaded the exe file. Right click and click open to begin the installation. Minimize. The setup started. Click install. Now Ollama will get installed on Windows. Now let us go to start and type cmd. Click open. Type Ollama -- version and press enter. The version is visible, that means we successfully installed Ollama. Now here on the same page, click models. Okay, now here Gemma4 is visible. Click on it. Now Gemma4 is visible, updated yesterday. Go below and here the latest version is visible. Click on it. The size is 9.6 GB. Context is the following. Click on it. To install this version, just copy this command. Click here to copy. Go to your CMD and right click and paste it. Now press enter. It will take 9.6 GB. Let's wait. So guys, we installed Gemma4 successfully. Now to run it. Now to start, click here. Click open Ollama. And now you can see Gemma4B is visible. If it's not visible, you can check here. Look, we already downloaded it and now you can work on it. So guys, we saw how to install Gemma4 on Windows 11. For free generative AI tutorials, refer to the links in the description of the video.